Nganong damgoan ko ikaw sa kanulay sa akong kahinga. Sa nakamay ako Nganong nabita
Okay, congratulations. What is your name?
Romel po.
Romel and Marlene. Romel and Marlene, you both win from my sponsor, 20,000 gift certificate, courtesy of my sponsor, Funeraria Pass. Okay lang, there's a 24-hour validity, kinahanglan mamatay ka mo within 24 hours. So, pag dili ka mamatay within 24 hours, wala na siya validity. Kaya, and then, non-transferable sa mga nagiging alumong mga relatives. Ano?
My St. Peter.
So thank you so much for being such a great sport like basketball and football. Thank you very much. Ayan. Okay. Yung next natin, diba?